What's going on? I'm King Sway, and welcome to another edition of King Sway Entertainment. Today's reaction is to Bruno Mars, Anderson Paak, So Sonic, Fly As Me, live from the BET Awards. It was a recommendation from Vanessa Seymour. Vanessa Seymour. So Vanessa, you asked me to react to it, and I'm reacting to it. I actually haven't seen this one. I didn't even know the song, so we can jump right into this one. Straight 70s vibe from the beginning. I'm still trying to see the tattoo on his chest. Somebody said it was Stevie Wonder or something. I'm grooving with this.
Okay, now Silk Sonic smooth like a Mac, float like a butterfly on every single track. And the only language that I speak, girl, is back. So once I get this game to you, I can take it back. I done ran at you for my 1977 Monte Carlo. Hard act to follow. It's showtime, trying to boo you up like it's the Apollo. You're all suspicious. Let's get down to business. You and me together. Woo, that's a. Come on. I don't ask for much. I really don't, girl. I just want what's fair. Look here. I'll bring that fire and desire, baby. All you gotta do is this. All you gotta do is meet me every day. I deserve to be with somebody as fly as me. Somebody this fly. And you deserve to be seen with somebody as fly as me. Somebody this fly. Now for real, I'm gonna need y'all to understand. Let's get it. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I'ma have a whole band of me spell it out. Yeah, if you don't know what we talking about, that's the session. Here's your listen, gonna spell it out. L-L-Y. You ain't never seen nobody this fly. It's like we back in school again. Now come on, children, I'm spelling it. L-L-Y. You ain't never seen nobody this fly. Get up, go. I deserve to be with somebody as fly as me. Somebody this fly. And you deserve to be seen with somebody as fly as me. Somebody this fly. Somebody this fly. Oh yeah.
My man in the corner.
Somebody this fly. I want it all. Silk Sonic, let me get the 3-piece in the biscuit.
My man said 3 pieces and a biscuit. Oh. Look. Y'all saw me grooving to it the whole damn time. I'm with the shits. I mean, the BET Soul Train Awards, I flat out said the last video, Smoking Out the Window, that gave me Soul Train vibes. It was a Soul Train Awards. So, just, I'm loving it. Like I'm dancing, I'm grooving. You can't tell me nothing about that one. Nah, I fucks with it. I fucks with it heavy. I don't even know what you expect me to say about that. Like I said, you seen it. I'm dancing, I'm grooving. That's my reaction. I loves it. Ladies and gentlemen, if you have anything you want me to react to, let me know down in the comments. If you're rocking me for a while and you want me to react, you know that if you put something in the comments, I read them, and you want me to react to it, I react to it. You ask, I give. Pretty simple, right? Right. Now, Biggs, get off. For those of you that don't know, I got hella cats. It's not my idea. My wife. Oh, we need to eat. Man, fuck that. I don't even want all these damn kids. But no. This is going to be my outro. Like I said, if you like the video, like and subscribe. If you were just here, grooving with it, like and subscribe it. If you want me to react to something, let me know. If you want me to fix something, I was just talking about me having hella cats. That's Tiger. Whenever you see me and I'm looking off to the side of the camera or something, it's because one of them. So, hit me up, hit me down below, give me a comment, let me know something, y'all. Yeah, I just did that. But, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and all you hip cats around, I'm King Sway, and I'm going to hit you with the next one.